Just started. Just recording. Do your thing. I'll be back. I'm gonna grab the other shit.
All right. What up?
What's up? We are DV. Today is Saturday. You know what the date is?
Today's date is
March
22nd.
March 22nd.
Yeah.
It's a beautiful day, as you can see.
So
We out here on the beautiful beach out here in Long Beach.
playing a little music on the
Yeah,
on the mixer.
for sure. So we just out here. Just basically, I want today to be about just giving thanks, being in a state of gratitude at all times. You know, being thankful for everything around you. You don't have to fucking be at a beach in beautiful Long Beach, California, to just enjoy what the surroundings are and what God has given you for that day. You just gotta take some time to look around and appreciate what it is. You could be at the park. You could be in the middle of the project. You could be anywhere. Point is, it ain't about where you at, it's about where your heart is at. So be grateful for what you got, for what's around you. I'm gonna take advantage. I'm blessed to even be here. So I'm not gonna wait for a later time to appreciate what I have in my life right now. Got good people around me, I got beautiful weather. You know what I'm saying? Motherfucking background look damn near fake. But we here, baby. Live in effect. Live, and we ready to fucking enjoy what the fuck we got today, man. That's all it is.
That's what today's about.
For sure.
Enjoying the day.
We got,
Doing what you want to do with the freedom that you got.
yeah, freedom, for sure.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you know, in me, it's my right to express my freedom to smoke the good plant that God has put here for me and you. So, you know, enjoy however you choose to do that. But that's what we're doing. We're gonna play some music, enjoy some music in the city, man, on the east side. Yes, Lord. Beach Babies, DV. God bless y'all.
You could catch some of this ocean.
For sure, look.
You know what I'm saying, check it out.
Look at that. All the people around. Look at that. There's love out here, man. People just enjoying their lives, man, making the most of what they got. This is free. This don't even spend a lot. This thing costs a lot of money. You ain't gotta be no bother to do this shit.
Right?
Just be you, man. Just love life. Appreciate what the fuck it is, man.
And for you motherfuckers who live right here in Long Beach, if you're not out here, I don't know what the hell you're doing. For you motherfuckers that live in Los Angeles at all and you live near a beach, I don't know why you're not taking advantage of it. Take advantage of what you got. Take advantage of the resources. Yeah, no? What is this? What strain is this?
It is. It's that G45 with the purple punch. The depths.
It's pretty good. It's pretty good.
Yep. It's from the good folks at Catalyst on Pine in downtown Long Beach. Speaking of which,
we're going to that party today.
we're going to that party on Pine today.
Yep.
Should be a good vibe.
Sure. Sweet time.
Gonna have sand all over me, but it's okay, cause we here to play, you know? That's all it is. Ain't nothing to it. I'm not too cool for it.
I mean, you know, for beat babies, that's the playground.
We're doing this shit. Alright? Literally in the goddamn sand, man. See them seagulls flying by. Hoo-hoo, yeah. Hear that ocean breeze? Oh yeah. There's some ocean waves crashing. That's the universe's music. That's the soothing background noise. Yes, Lord. Ooh, and the shirt I got today, I got it from the homegirl Paris, man, at Paris Collections. Yeah, check her out, pariscollections.com. She did the little flannel little situation, man. She made it, man. I appreciate it. Just want to say thank you if you see this. Shout out to the independent hustlers out there, the small business owners, the creators out there using their mind and their hands and their spirit to create the world around them. That's what we talking about here, man. And we just celebrating the ability to be able to do that. This nigga, he in here creating right now, mixing shit up. Right? Let me know what's real. What we doing here, man? Yes, Lord. Molly? And all. Have fun. Pop off your blouse like a shotgun. Bitch, nigga, no good. Girl, I am not one. Press my buttons. Pull up. Caution. I'm the type of nigga down. Play around often. And I just might go. Ass so fat, but I know it's like, I can't pour it out from here. I gotta take the top off. Yeah, bro. I wouldn't do that near the equipment either. Alright. Okay. Pour it in your cup, though, right? Yeah. Bless up. Bless up. Wow. Wow.
Would you stand up and let us see your Saturday's best?
I did.
Oh, really?
Something like it. Watch this, y'all. Check this out. Just some shit I threw together. It ain't nothing, you know. I ain't trying to do too much, you know. I'm a simple man. But I wanted to rock this one more time for the homegirl because she made this for me. She put her time and effort and energy into this. What's her name? Paris.
some last name Zapata or something like that. She's like something with a Z. No disrespect if I mispronounce it. But yeah, check her out at ParisCollections.com. Yeah, she makes this shit. She makes the flannel situations. And I'm a West Coast dude. She's from the East Coast, but I'm a West Coast dude. Let's fuck with the flannels around this way. Flannels, you know. Make sure you guys hear this. Sound. There we go. Like that instrumental.
Anything you want, anything you want. I'm loyal. Touch my body, touch my body, touch my body, touch my body, I like it. Touch my body, touch my body, I like it. When you touch my body, Yeah, it's her shit. Her shit is called Paris Williams Collection. About the shirt, Paris Williams. Or the website is yeah. Come on. One time move the camera this way. Bringing up the highs did make it go up a little bit. I heard the difference. Oh, now you really see my fit. Oh yeah. Let me see the kicks though. Do one of the ones the old boy from Laffy Taffy did.
No, I'm not doing.
Do the Laffy Taffy leg.
Like,
Yeah. The Laffy Taffy leg.
I ain't flexible enough on that.
I know, right?
I'm gonna hurt myself. Look at that
See them waves in the back? Beautiful, right? On a motherfucking Sabbath. Trying to get a motherfucking scholarship.
I got my list.
I got some later though, down there on 14th. And when you say it only makes sense, right? I think I'm going to too. Yeah, so I got my pipe, and I really don't feel like sitting here rolling one. I mean, even though we got time, right? Actually, I do got one. Hold on. From that shitty ass paper I got for you. Look at this shit. There we go. very natural. So look how balanced it is. Like, you know, these themselves standing up for it. It's true. We're on the hill. Buddy. Like that. You can make that whole thing, right? And set that baby off, bro. Right? Real with effects, you can make basically a whole new sound with just effects. I see that. Go ahead, man. Set it up again. Bro, I didn't realize, but these colors look awesome against the ocean and the sand and shit. Man. Shout out to Paris once again, I gotta say. I didn't plan this at all. Next time we got better monitors, we should be back. Everybody feeling it. You know, at the end of the day, it's good to the growth, you know what I mean? We start where we start. So glad you guys can see it. Yep. We out here. Well, we come from the ocean. Beach baby for real. Real beach baby shit. Real beach baby. Got the beach in the back, with the beach in the front. Yep. This is my playground. Feel me? It's my sanctuary. Like that. Something with it. Start the healing.
Huh?
Start the healing.
Starts here.
Got some ashes in my cup. I ain't worried about it. Don't hurt my feelings. Not at all. Watch this.
Good for your health. Are you trying to hold my hand?
Everybody try to hold your hand, nigga. The ashes in my cup are fuck you. Makes it it gives it more electrolytes. Pretty sure that's true.
That fine. Even though he can't spell like that, like,
Okay. That nigga's spelling bee champion right there.
That's
Boy.
fine.
5th grade.
That's fine.
He's still holding on. He won't let go.
Never.
Oh my God.
Right? I should have won the whole goddamn fucking thing, actually.
Yeah.
But I got cheated.
It was rigged.
Wasn't because I was black, though.
Fucking rigged.
Because I'm fucking handsome. And they saw that modeling career, music career I had ahead of me and said, you know what, kid, you don't need it.
This is jealous. This is jealous.
Let's see if you guys know this next song.
Organic what? $1? Do I have $1 already?
Here you go, little bro. I don't want the lollipop either, though.
I actually don't have any money, buddy. But get your hustle on.
We lit.
That's what we are. So grateful for this goddamn ocean. Oh yes.
We're walking in the casa.
That was hard. Say, you know you mean it. Oh yeah. Oh wow.
All this spaceship and rockets. Got me feeling high.
back, huh? Okay. Yeah, we ain't get it the first time. Oh, it's good again. Hey.
Nah, I'm about to switch it up completely. Serious.
He doesn't do this all the time. So
I used to do a lot better than this guy. So. I just want to show y'all a little taste. I don't think, you know what I mean? There's no mistakes, guys. There's no mistakes in life. Just new stepping stones, that's all. And that stepping stone only exists as far as you want it to. It could be as close as you want it to, or non-existent. Don't leave it at that. Motherfuckers out getting their workout on, health as well. That's right.
Can't forget the fact about the new name. I'm performances, baby. Get this vitamin. Damn. Hey, baby, is you down the ride? Knocking at your front door. Let me come inside. Knocking at your front door. Let me come inside. Can you let a brother know if you're down the ride? Hey, baby, is you down the ride? Knocking at your front door. Let me come inside. Knocking at your front door. Let me come inside. Can you let a brother know if you're down the ride?
Yeah, I wonder if it's way too much. Tell me if I'm weighing you down, I'm here waiting to ride. I can always see your face in the crowd. You know I love you, can't say it aloud. I wanna wait up for you and wake up to you. Had to make that clear, like a Huxtable. You read just the most, why I fuck with you. And even though it gets savvy, I can't get enough of you. So come and take a ride on my jet ride. You never react to little miss sad. And even though we can't look back, most couldn't get your break if we threw them all Kit Kat. It's so kind of standing on your line with a big ass sign like Connie. If you stand tall, we can fall for the slightest. And trust me, you don't wanna fight it. Open it up.
Hey, baby, is you down the ride? Knocking at your front door, let me come inside. Knocking at your front door, let me come inside. Can you let a brother know if you're down the ride? Hey, baby, is you down the ride? Knocking at your front door, let me come inside. Knocking at your front door, let me come inside. Can you let a brother know if you're down the ride? Hey, let me move to the left. Break it down, baby, feel yourself. Feeling on your chest, get wet. Show these bitches I shake yourself. Feeling on your chest, get wet. Show these bitches I shake my dick.
Check this shit out.
Feel yourself. Feeling on your
found
chest,
that.
get wet.
I hope it's
Show
stone.
these bitches I shake
It's
my
something
dick.
petrified or it's wood or something.
Baby, let me get it in.
It would make some dope ass jewelry if you were creative enough to see it. Hard though, right? Nature, baby.
Let me make another round.
Time right
I'ma give you that champion sound.
Already.
Got me feeling like big dreams. Super freak when I'm in your town. Yeah, haters, I flip the bird. I got the juice, so nigga, I ain't scared.
By the way, if y'all didn't know, this is
Go ahead,
Jason Otto's little brother.
Yeah, Lou Felt.
Hey, baby,
Lou
you
Felt.
on the ride, knocking at your front door, let me come inside. Knocking at your front door, let me come inside. Can you let a brother know if you're down the ride? Hey, baby, is you down the ride? Knocking at your front door, let me come inside. Knocking at your front door, let me come inside. Can you let a brother know if you're down the ride?
Keeping this up like a me. Go on my link, smoking the sink. Pumping that work like a rider.
I fucked it up, y'all.
There's no mistakes, man. There's no mistakes.
We eat fishes with the pasta.
I meant to
to do that.
All these spaceships and rockets got me feeling high.
My knees ain't that strong. These sitting like that for too long. That look right. What are y'all doing tonight on this Saturday? Yes, Lord. Appreciating the waves. Appreciating this beautiful sun out here. Vibing with the people. I want to do something with this motherfucker's neck of his shirt, though. Nigga's neck is too thick. But I'm going to do something with it, though. I'll alter it just a little bit.
Look, I feel it. It's right. I've got a strong feeling. For a really long time. So maybe you should say.
Sir, would you kindly pour some more Hennessy in my cup, in my chalice? It's a dope ass little mix, huh? Yeah. That and this. I thought you was talking about the music I was making. They both over here. Cheers. See? Because you know why I say cheers? Because we're already here. That's why. That's why we're already here. We're not waiting till later. We're already here. Don't wait till later. Do it now. Get where you're trying to go. Mentally. Get in that ride. Get there now. You'll be there. What you say? Yeah, I was gonna say that earlier. I didn't want to talk judgmental, but yeah, he will definitely need from time to time. Luckily, I got deep business though. This shit looks like blood orange, don't it? The color of that? Alright, looks great. It's beautiful. It's like we made it on a drink almost. Oh, man. Hennessy and apple juice. What y'all know about that? You know, like, that's the thing now. It can go for a little bit of lemon in it. Just to cut it. You know what I'm saying? Mm-hmm. It'll brighten it up. A little bit of lemon in there. It's God. Sipping on the best and from the worst. You were just a guest. Not bad. Set it off. 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 Set it off now. Oh, that's a real good one right there. Yeah. Put a plan with it. Oh, I'm sorry. There's no sorry, baby. There's no mistake. There's no mistake. There's no mistake. There's no mistake. You got it. No mistake. There's no mistake. There's no mistake. Hey, hey. Oh. Whoa. What's that?
finna see it, I'm not brand new. Ring, blah, blah. Number 13 and it's all on me, nigga, you just blah, blah. Number 13 and it's all on me, nigga, you just hush. Come across me if it got you, don't need me, I said, you finna see it, I'm not brand new. Ring, don't act like you forgot. I called a shot. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money. Better have my money. Pay me what you want. Better have my money. Better have my money. Now don't break, I know the whole club fucking way. Burns on my trip, I am the only thing I play. In a top 100, in my rearview mirror.
Not burning right now.
Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Where y'all at?
Goddamn knees hurt.
Oh, nigga, you
Trying to play it off like it ain't no big deal, though.
if it that you gon' need, you finna see I'm not brand new. Ring, don't act like you forgot. I call shot, like blah, blah. Pay me what you want. Don't act like you forgot. Bitch better have my money.
I get it how I live it. I live it how I live it. Come to motherfucking kids. Pull it with a lemon. I can see it. It's just your eyes get acidic. This ain't a scrimmage. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. A nigga by the business. Like yours, but you rent it. Waving low to the top of the bay, yours, but you rent it. Waving low to the top of the bay, wrong vibe. Tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Got the window down, blown live. Got the hazard on, what you doing fire? You could catch me, breathe, in the new La Ferrari. And the truck behind me got on. Yeah, longer than LeBron. Just waiting from my thumb like the pawns. Woo, this beat tastes like lunch, but it's running from veneers and it's running from the front. But every day, hey, one lemonade. I was afraid, once a nigga graduate, would I be okay? So I prayed and I prayed. It's Rihanna, nigga, when constellation is space. Speed, tell the squad couldn't chase, nigga.
Bam song, fighting speakers in the face. 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 I get it out of
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just your eyes get acidic. This thing is thrilling. Motherfucker, we ain't finished. I told you we won't stop. About it business. Like God, what you finished. Wave it to the top to get the same one guy. Tell the paparazzi get the lens right. Got the window down top going live. Got the eyes on, we gon' stop. You can catch me bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing, bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing. It's so fun, it's so fun, right in there, bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing around, bouncing. It's so fun, it's so fun, right in there, bouncing around, bouncing.
Yes, it is.
I try to teach you, but I need some lessons. I need try to teach you. I need some lessons. I try to teach you, but I need some lessons. I try to teach you,
One time for the one time.
but I need some lessons. I need to give it up. I try to live, but I can't.
I know the lyrics, yo.
I just don't
Couple words,
want
man.
the other one.
It's still hard though.
Johnny out of my mind. You don't need no other body.
Nobody else.
You need no other body.
You don't need nobody else.
You don't need no other body.
Nobody else.
You need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you fit on my body.
Only you fit on my life. Where's
Only you fit
that?
on my body. You don't
Oh,
need
yeah.
no other body.
Say I made it mess up my mind, and I made it make it free of your mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, I love to be life. Say every day together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye, yeah, if you leave, stroke me your body, baby. Love me your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Love me your body, baby. Get me what you take me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day and
You don't need no other body. No other body. Need no other body.
Holy hell on my knees, goddamn. Holy. That's the walk out.
I'm a spaceship, a rocket. Falling to the sky.
burn me the tower connect. Whoa, 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 whoa. Say this love, I know regret. Whoa, whoa.
It's almost time for us to go to this party on Pine, y'all. About to end this party over here real soon.
About to do that party on Pine, man. About to go see what's cracking over there. It's good chilling with y'all. It's been fun. Before we get up out of here, though, I just want to say thank you very much for tuning in. I appreciate you, PIGV. And yes, I love you. And I also love myself. But I love you because I love myself. So I want you to love yourself for yourself. All right?
Enjoy your day, y'all.
It's a good little outro song, though. It's okay, girl.
Shut it down, y'all. Holler. Peace out.